Well, you've done it. You've made up your mind. Now is the best time to list. But you need to know what you should do first. Should I decide whether you're going to move now or later? Should I start packing, staging, simplify my holiday decor? All of these things should be on your to-do list. But what's the very first thing you need to do? Hey, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite key real estate agent in and around Columbus, Ohio. The first thing you need to do is create a backup plan. I know. You're very excited about your next house, but sometimes plan A doesn't really work out as planned. Sometimes they fall apart. Your buyer may back out for financial reasons. Sometimes something comes up on the home inspection. You may load your entire house into a moving truck and then have no place to unload it for about 2 weeks. Well, everyone aims for the smoothest game plan for all parties involved. Sometimes things happen outside the box that are totally out of our control, and a backup plan is completely necessary. Backup plans for my seller, well, they rarely had to implement them, but we always want to have them. Move into your parents' house, find a month-to-month rental, stay with your friends, arrange an agreement with the buyers to rent the home back for about 30 days, or go on a 10-day vacation and wait there till your house is ready. I picked that one. This is what would be my top choice for sure. So stage your bedrooms, scale back on the holiday decor, and pre-pack your home. But don't do anything until you map out this game plan in case plan A does not work out. The last thing you need to do is be hopeless and homeless during the holidays. And just remember, if this is the first time to this channel and you want to know everything about real estate, you want to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad and the ugly about living in and around Columbus, Ohio, then you have come to the right place. Please subscribe to my channel, tap that bell for notifications so that you could be the first to know what is going on in the market of Columbus, Ohio. Give us a thumbs up and hit that like button. And please comment if you need any free guides on Buyer's Bootcamp, Seller's Bootcamp. Just DM me or make a comment with those Seller Bootcamp or Buyer Bootcamp, and I'll ship those off to you as soon as possible. Whether you're planning on moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Columbus, Ohio, or any of its fabulous suburbs in Central Ohio. And always remember, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble, an associate.